Alright, I'm going to show you how to download and open SQL Expert Personal. First thing you're going to do is go out to Google. Pretty simple. Search for SQLITE Expert Personal. This will only run on Windows. Instead of clicking this button, which is a trial version and is the professional version, you'll be downloading the personal version for this class. It will download a simple executable that you can run on your own. It does not package any bad software or any malware or anything like that, so you don't even have to be super careful. You can just kind of click through all the defaults. Once it's installed, you can put it on your taskbar, and when you open it, it looks like this. So over here you can see we have no database open. There are various tabs, and we'll kind of get to those as we go. I'm going to go ahead and open the demo database. You can open the demo database. I'm going to use it for a few other examples for a few of the next videos, and you can follow along with those examples by opening the demo database. The demo database has a lot more tables than are necessary, but we can use these to just have an example of how SQLITE opens these files and how you'll open other files that I send you. The files that I send you will probably at first have only about 3 or 4 tables. So this has, over 10 tables. It's a little bit much, but it will serve our purposes, and it's included so everyone can access this database. Let's say we wanted to see the data in the clients table. Well, we can click on the data tab, and we see that currently we have 5 clients, and all of these up here are the attributes. Here are the records for each of the 5 clients. We have a lot more orders. We have 205 orders in the table. SQLITE Expert includes record number along with all of the other information of the table. So record number is just a column that it includes. It's not actually in the create table. There's no attribute record number. We can see how the customer table was created by clicking on DDL. So this is all of the SQLITE code to create the table that we already have. Now this only creates the table. They've also taken time to import all of this data into the table. But this is the creation command that you would run in order to create this table. If you wanted to run a query on the table, just like in Khan Academy, you can run it here. So this gives you all of the information in the customer table. We don't have to have the customer table highlighted to do this, so if we instead do select star from animals, it'll give us all the information in the animals table. By clicking on the high-level database and selecting DDL, we can see actually all of the attributes in all tables. This will be really useful when we're trying to figure out what queries to run and what attributes we need to use for those queries. If you're trying to open up another database, for instance one that I send you, you can go to File, Open Database, and go to, maybe you downloaded it in your downloads folder, or you moved it to your OneDrive or something like that. You'd have to navigate to where the database is stored on your computer. Alright, that database was corrupt, so it did not open. We can close it by right-clicking. So instead, I'm going to navigate to where the non-corrupt database is, which is in my Dropbox folder. So here we've opened up another database. We can have two databases open at once, but you don't need to. So let's close up the demo. And again, we can run SQL queries on Northwind. We can see the data in employee territories. We can see the DDL of how the table was created. All right, that is how to use SQLIte Expert. Play around with queries especially, because those are going to be a big part of your final project. But the next video will cover how to go from SQL to UML. Have a good day.